So finding the x and y-intercept of a parabola. You have two formats of the equation of a parabola, one in general form and the other one in vertex form. So we're going to start with finding the y-intercept first. The y-intercept is very easy because all you need to do is just sub in 0 for x. And when it's written in this form, the parabola, then the y-intercept right away, it's -10. So it's the constant number at the end, because when you make x 0, all of that goes to 0. And the x-intercept, you will need to sub in 0 for the y and solve. So we have x squared minus 3x minus 10. How are you going to solve this? You're going to solve this by factoring. So if you factor this into x minus 5 and x plus 2, then you could tell that what makes this bracket 0 is x equals 5, and what makes this bracket 0 is -2, and these are your x-intercepts, 5 and -2. How about if it's written in vertex form? Then it's not as easy to find the y-intercept. But not that I'm saying it's hard, just you need to do a little bit more steps. So to find the y-intercept, we make x 0 or equate x to 0. So we have -2, 0, minus 1 squared, plus 8, which equals -2 times 0 minus 1 is -1 squared, plus 8. And -1 squared is going to be +1. +1 times -2 is -2. -2 plus 8 is 6. And so your y-intercept here is going to be 6. The x-intercept, we make the y 0. So 0 equals -2 x minus 1 squared plus 8. This involves a little bit more steps. So the first thing I want to do, I want to move the 8 to the other side. So that's going to be -8 equals -2 x minus 1 squared. Now we need to divide both sides by -2 by -2. We get 4 equals x minus 1 squared. At this stage, I want to square root both sides. And I'm just going to go this way here. So when I square root here, I'm going to get plus or minus 2 equals x minus 1, because the square root gets rid of the square. Now I'm just going to move the -1 to this side. So we get 1 plus or minus 2 equals x. And therefore, x equals 1 plus 2 is 3, and 1 minus 2 is -1. So the answers are -1 and 3, and these are the x-intercepts for these equations. And that's it. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time, bye-bye.